Hello everyone, this is Ozil. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to explain the BS6 ECU, and I have this ECM. There is a fault, you can see here. Power IC has gone, and I will teach you how to check step by step and how to find the fault step by step. Okay, so as you know that this is the processor, and this processor number is SPC58. So this processor required for run 1.5 voltage, 2.5, 3.5 and 5 voltage. 4 voltage are need to be work. Okay, so and this is the MOSFET S260 at 620 TG US620 TG. So this MOSFET work for one-way directions. So these coils energized and non-energized, energized and non-energized. On that time it will convert AC to DC and store this to capacitors. Okay, so these capacitors controlled by these injectors, and this MOSFET, this is the N channel MOSFET used for creating switching the coil and switch by this injector IC, and this injector IC are used for switching and commanding the MOSFET for working the injectors. Okay, so now we will discuss about only the power IC, where you can we will easily get the knowledge, easily get the fault from this step what I am going to teach you. Okay, so I have decided five step to rectify the fault. First step, so this is the BS6 board. Okay, and I'm going to this number is 48128, this power IC number is, and now I'm going to teach that first step. What is the first step? So how can you find the fault? There is a first step is what you have to know, that this power IC which pins are ground. Okay, so now this IC pin number 6, 7, 8, 11, so these are ground, 11 also, and 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 20, 30, 42, 46, 50, 50, 51, 52, 58 and 64. So these all pins are ground. These all pins are ground. If along with these pins going to show you ground, that means your power IC is faulty. Okay, so this is the first step. And what is the second step? Second step, I always check the ignition voltage. Okay, so pin number, this IC pin number 16 is a ignition. Okay, so pin number ignition is a pin number 16 is a ignition. Ignition means when you turn on the key on, so that's called the ignition. Okay, ignition 12 voltage. So and the circuit is like that. One resistance is pulled down and one across the resistance, and it will go to the directly to the ICs. Okay, so this is the second step. And what that is, I have a third step also. So third step, we have to check 12 voltage. Third step is what? 12 voltage. After main relay on, 12 voltage come inside the board. Okay, so pin number 11, what pin number 12? Pin number 12 is our 12 voltage when we turn on the ignition and our main relay is on. After that, that voltage come inside. So what we called after main relay on 12 voltage. So this is the that 12 voltage. Okay, and pin number 45. Pin number 45 is also after main relay on 12 voltage. So these two voltage should be in your board. If any voltage missing, that means you have to take on it. Okay, and this is the third step and fourth step. Step number 4. Okay, so step number 4 is what? Pin number, this IC pin number 1, 2 and 3. This 3 should 3.5 volt. If this voltage will miss, on that time your fifth step will not work. Fifth step is what? If this voltage is missing, so you have to check pin number 6. This IC pin number 60 should be 5 volt output, and this output use for processor also, and outside reference voltage, like you have, suppose you have a sensors, and sensors have, one has a ground, another is a 5 volt reference. So that reference voltage come from this pin number 60. Okay, and last step number 6. So in step number 6 you have to check pin number 32 and 33. So this two voltage will not showing 1.6 volt or 1.5 volt. On that time you have to show that your processor is get fault. So guys, if you want to buy this IC pinouts, you can buy from the ramzon.in, and you also want to buy this full pinouts, you can also buy from ramzon.in. And I hope you guys get knowledge from this video. Please, if you get knowledge from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So sorry for the late video, I was busy on my work, that's why I didn't have time to make video. So when I get free, I will make it. Okay, so, thank you.